Good morning everyone. So as requested by a lot of you, we are here with our winter diet plan. So as you know, the season has changed and winter brings along with it lots and lots of seasonal fruits and vegetables. So our diet plan is going to be according to that. So obviously we'll be giving you a lot of options. We start with a morning drink, then we have your mid-morning snack, after which you have your lunch and evening snack and the dinner part. We'll be giving you a lot of options for each meal. So let's get started. This diet plan, I can assure you that you can easily lose about 3 to 4 kgs in a month if you follow the right timings to eat and also add a good workout plan with it. So we're going to start off with our morning drink. Now your morning drink is extremely important. How you start your day is extremely important. So I'm going to give you 3 options for your morning drink. The first one is going to be soaked chia seeds along with a slice of lemon. This is a great way to start your day. Option 2 is going to be soaked coriander seeds. So in a glass of water, you soak 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and boil it and drink it in the morning. And for your third option, since it's winters, so ginger and tulsi tea. Again, in a cup of tea, in a cup of plain water, you just add ginger and tulsi and boil it for some time and drink it as your first drink in the morning. As I always tell you that try and squeeze in at least 1 hour of exercise 5 times a week and preferably in the morning. So after your morning drink, finish your workout, and after that you can have 5 almonds, 2 walnuts and maybe 2 pieces of dates or orangey, whichever you prefer. Post 30 minutes of your nuts, you can go for your breakfast. Again, breakfast can be a hot meal, which could be either a seasonal multigrain roti with any green vegetables. You have palak, methi, and lots of green veggies in winters. So you can either go for a stuffed roti with dhania chutney, or you can, if you're one of those people who doesn't have too much time, then one multigrain toast with a cup of tea or a lemon tea or a peppermint tea is a good idea. Also, yes, great options for breakfast could be your idli, poha or seviam, any of these hot options. Again, restricted to one portion only, preferably a bowl is a good idea, and stop with that, don't take a second serving. After 30 minutes of your breakfast, you can go for a cup of green tea. Now coming to your mid-morning snack. For your mid-morning snack, maybe 2 hours after breakfast, again a seasonal fruit is a very good idea. Anything like an apple, an orange, a banana, whatever you prefer should be your mid-morning meal. Okay, coming to your lunch, before you have your lunch, 30 minutes before lunch, in a glass of lukewarm water, make sure you add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps to bring down your blood sugar and also speed up your metabolism. For lunch, I'm going to give you 3 options. Option 1 is a multigrain dalia. So again, a portion of a bowl of multigrain dalia with lots of vegetables. Any seasonal vegetables, capsicum or all the green veggies can be added to your carrot, capsicum, beans, peas, all of it, along with a portion of salad and a portion of curd. That's option 1. Option 2 is either 2 bajra rotis or ragi roti along with a seasonal green vegetable and a cup of curd and salad. Option 3 is 2 oats chila along with again a green chutney. Again, you can choose to add a salad to this as well. So these are 3 options for lunch. 30 minutes post your lunch, you can make sure that you have a cup of green tea, and or if you enjoy a cup of peppermint tea, go for a cup of peppermint tea. Now coming to your evening tea, if you enjoy a cup of tea or coffee, you can have this one, but again avoid sugar. With along with your tea or coffee, you can choose to have a cup of homemade roasted makhanas. Again, try and use as much as possible your oregano, chili flakes, other seasoning, and go easy on the salt. Another good option for your evening snack could be a sprout salad or a bit of roasted murmuras. You can again add a lot of raw veggies to this. Coming to your dinner, very important rule for dinner. In fact, this is one of the key factors in your weight loss, is to make sure that you have your dinner at least 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. Now for dinner, I'm going to be giving you another few options. So one could be like a nice grilled paneer salad. To your grilled paneer, so you can either choose to have your soya or your tofu or paneer. Any protein rich dinner is a good idea. Again, the tip I like to give you is go easy, as much as possible. Go easy on the salt, especially the table salt. You can spice up your salad with a lot of oregano, chili flakes, bhuna jeera, or any other seasoning, but avoid table salt as much as possible. Option 1 is paneer salad. You can add some lettuce to it. Option 2, as I told you, could be soya nuggets, or it could be tofu. Or if you love vegetables, then a good stir fry vegetable is a good idea. With a little portion of oil, just grill your vegetables for dinner. Again, the same rule applies. Avoid salt as much as possible. Or personally, I love soups for winter, so you can choose to have pumpkin soup, spinach, broccoli, or any soup that is made with seasonal vegetables. Yes, and before you go to bed, if you still like to have something warm, a cup of chamomile tea is a very good idea to end your day before you go to bed. So these are some simple tips for your winter diet. So make sure you drop a message on our chat box if you want any more videos of this kind, or any other personalized diet plans or workout. You can reach out to us either through our website or our email ID. Reach out to us for our well structured workout plans, and thank you so much.